Good morning, children. Children, we are seeing lesson number 11 of subject Sanskrit, and up till now we have seen that there was a horse who was trying to cross a broad water flow or wide water flow with his master, and both are injured because of the attack, because they were attacked. So here we have studied that the horse was thinking that Adhuna Gramah Samipe Eva. Now the village is nearer, so there I will bring my Swami, or there I will take my Swami there, and I can protect him also. But the water flow was very wide, so what should be done? And that wounded and tired horse just crosses that water flow with his 3 legs, because his one leg was injured, and he didn't care about himself also while crossing the water flow. And as soon as he went or crosses the water flow, he falls on the ground. Tena aghatena, due to that shock, because he was just running and he fails on the ground. That's why, because of that shock, Swami api bhumau nipatati, that his master also falls on the ground. Kinchit kalanantaram Swami sadnyam labhate. Kinchit kalanantaram means, kinchit means some. After some time, the master, sadnyam labhate means he gains or gets his consciousness. And saha ashvasya samipe agachati. Saha means he means the master, ashvasya samipe, near to the horse. Agachati means comes. He comes near to the horse. Snehena ashvasya shariram sprushati. Snehena means with love. Ashvasya shariram means the body of the horse. Sprushati means he touches the body of the horse with love. Bhumau patitah ashvah, the horse fallen on the ground, api also, swaminam pashyati, looks at his master. Samadhanena pranan tyajati cha, and pranan tyajati means dies, and dies with satisfaction. Which satisfaction does he have? He have the satisfaction of that he can protect, or he was successful to carry his master beyond the bank of that water flow, and he can, or he was able to protect him as enough as he can. Kaha esha nrupah. Now up till now we are not knowing the name of that master also and of that horse also. Kaha esha nrupah. Who was the king? Jnayate va. Do you know? Saha eva Maharana Pratapah. He was the only Maharana Pratap. Rajasthana Rajyasya Mewada Pradeshasya Nrupah Shrestah. The best king or the great king of Mewad region of Rajasthan. He was the great king of Mewad region of Rajasthan. कह एषः स्वामी भक्त अश्वः. Now up till now we are known to the name. Now कह एषः. Now कह means who, एषा means this. Who was this Swami Bhaktah Ashwa? Who was this devoted? Who was this horse devoted to the master? एषः चेतकः नामः अश्वः. This was the horse named as Chetak. Ashveshu Adarsha Bhutah Saha. The ideal among all the horses. Adarsha Bhuta means ideal. Tasya smrutyartha nirmitam samadhi sthalam Mewad prante virajate. Tasya, of his or in his, you can say smrutyartham. Smrutyartham means in the memory of him or in his memory. Nirmitam means built. Samadhi sthalam. Samadhi sthalam means a tomb. T-O-M-B, tomb. Mewad prante means in the Mewad region. Virajate. Virajate means it is there. So the translation will be a tomb built in his memory is there in Mewad. Dhanyah Swami Rana Pratapah. The master Rana Pratap is great, and Cha means and the horse Chetak who was dutiful to his master or who was devotee of his master is also great. Now children, Bhasha Abhyasa is given there. Eka Vakyena Uttarata means write answers in one sentence in Sanskrit language. Margah कीदृशः अस्ति? मार्गः निर्मनुष्यः. अश्वस्य पृष्ठे कः उपविष्टः अस्ति? अश्वस्य पृष्ठे तस्य स्वामी उपविष्टः अस्ति. Now second one is third one. अश्वः किम् उल्लङ्घयति? अश्वः विस्तीर्णः जलप्रवाहं उल्लङ्घयति. It should be विस्तीर्ण जलप्रवाहं. स्वामी किं स्पृशति? स्वामी अश्वस्य शरीरं स्पृशति. Now, Prashna Nirmanam Kurutah. The first one was Swami Ashvasya Samipe Agachati. You have to make the question instead of Ashvasya. So the question will be Swami Kasya Swamipe Agachati. Then the second one is Swami Bhumau Nipatati. We have to make question for Bhumau. So Swami Kutra Nipatati. Question number 3 is Yogya Vibhakti Rupam Likhata. Tasya Prushte Upavishtaha Asti Tasya Swami. Tasya Ekah Padaha Vranitaha. Like Ekah or Padaha. This is also the adjective of Padaha. That's why it will be in the same case and gender number of this Padaha. Samadhi sthalam Mewad prante virajate. Ashvah samadhanena pranan tyajati. Now, Atmane padi kriya padani chitva likhata means you have to write the Atmane pad verbs in the lesson. So these are sahate, jayate, prarabhate, labhate and virajate. Now children, there is one more question. Madhyam bhashaya uttaram likhata. This question is in your syllabus in your paper pattern. So you will have one question in which you have to write the answer in English. Madhyam Bhasha means in English language. पशुपक्षिणः मानवस्य साहाय्यं कुर्वन्ति इति विषये काः कथाः यूयं जानीत. मीन्स् पशुपक्षिणः मानवस्य साहाय्यं कुर्वन्ति मीन्स् एनिमल्स् और बर्ड्स helped humans. Write the story about the birds and animals they help the human. You have to write the story about this in English. Likewise, in exam you will have questions based on the lesson. Thank you.